everybody, and welcome to this week's Swizz Saturday! What the fuck was that intro? Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, do I? So this week's theme is Bonfire Night, Guy Fawkes Night, whatever you want to call it. So I thought I would give you a rundown on, I don't know, some sort of super cool outfits for this kind of thing. And honestly, I've gone for the classic sort of long sleeve jersey for this, as you can see here. Hang on, when I can get a good angle. There we go. That's cool. And I can't remember what this top's called, so excuse me while we temporarily look at my stats. It's Blue Pro Sweater. If that makes things any clearer. I think I got it from the mall. Oh god, my headset's falling off. And also the usual sort of black jeans, boots that I can never remember their names of, black leather riding boots. Yes, I totally knew that. So black winter gloves, green bobble hat, or as my sister likes to call it, my elf hat. Yeah. Yes, my sister's nice to me. Oh, bloody hell, my FPS was up high then. No, sorry. So, yeah, my thing about Bonfire Night is, time of year it is, you want to be comfy, you want to be warm, and look really cool. And I think this outfit does that. So yeah, take my advice. Be awesome. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe on this video, and I will see you on Swizz Saturday next week. Bye!